Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Insert the extension tube into the base, then insert the footrest, followed by the gas lift with cover. Next, we will attach the armrest. Your arms are labeled right and left. Attach the arm with one M6 25 screw on the inner screw hole and two M6 40 arm screws on the outer screw holes. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Slide the backrest bar between the mechanism and seat. Secure it by threading in the included knob. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.